Jhandly is a hand-wearable cellular phone extophoresis ultrasonic emitter. Jhandly extophoresis method for suspending controlled matter in a sound extophoresis radiation pressure from intense sound waves in the medium sound waves at ultrasonic frequencies can be used to levitate objects, thus creating no sound heard by the human ear. Frequencies. The way of emitting the sound wave, from creating a wave underneath the object and reflecting it back to its source, to using to create a large acoustic field. The Jhandly PIR sensor localized centered at the palm infrared sensor. This, per sensor, a electronic sensor that measures infrared, light radiating from objects' emission detectors. The object tracker. Object tracking is the process of measuring either to the object point, where object is localized, or the motion of an object. The object tracker signals the ultrasonic extophoresis software enabled for suspending the positions of object movement coordinated to signal processing. Ultrasonic emitter signals data localized by processing software mapping, related key input events data signals. Multiple tasking software, as key input device for this human-computer interaction. Measuring object movement data signals data processing software of object position to related key input events, mapping coordinated events of suspending object actual data activity. The interactive object actual data and movement by extophoresis ultrasonic object controller ultrasonic magnetics emitters. Abstract. Extophoresis, acoustic levitation when used for containerless processing, which has become more important of late due to the small size and resistance of microchips and other such things in industry. Containerless processing may also be used for applications requiring very high purity materials or chemical reactions too rigorous to happen in a container. This method is harder to control than other methods of containerless processing such as electromagnetic levitation, but has the advantage of being able to levitate non-conducting material of the palm points of the Jhandly device. Levitating force is strongest when the object is about the same size as the wavelength of the ultrasound waves. Ultrasound using a magnet that quickly contracts and rebounds to its original shape when placed in an oscillating electric field, pushing out pulses of air with a wavelength of 20 mm. About the right size for levitating animals ranging from ants to small fish. Superconductors levitation because of their ability to repel magnetic fields. Jhandly is a hand-wearable cellular phone extophoresis ultrasonic emitter. Jhandly extophoresis method for suspending controlled matter in a sound extophoresis radiation pressure from